How to change your name on a Fortnite PC. Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change your name on a Fortnite PC. First, you need to open up your Google Chrome on your PC. Next, what you need to do is search for Epic Games. Now, click on the Epic Games Store link. After that, what you need to do is log in to your account. Once you are logged in, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Next, you need to select Account. Now that you're in your account settings, you can change your Fortnite name. This is how you can change your name on Fortnite PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.